Hi, and welcome to another part of the painting class. In this section, we will be painting our background. Well, the first of two videos. So, first of all, your painting is starting to look like a little painting. And second of all, we're going to use blue. So finally, we will use the blue that is in your kit, or if you've wondered, why did I put blue on the list? Well, this is why. So I'm adding a little bit of the phyllocyanine blue, or phthalo blue, to the black. So it's nice and dark. And this is also a wonderful color if you want to do paint drawings with. It's almost like Prussian blue, which is one of my favorite blues. You can see the little paintings that's hanging in front of my desk also have that beautiful Prussian blue bottom, and now you just want to paint it. So it's fairly opaque, meaning that, or fairly transparent, so you can see through it a little. So I would suggest that you give it a wash or a paint and then let it dry and do another one. So I'm just painting the base or the table or the floor or whatever you want to call it, and then we are going to do a wash of yellow. That will be our first layer for the background, and then in the next video we'll do the second layer to the background. Okay, so we'll paint the bottom part with this beautiful dark blue. And then we're going to add a wash of turquoise to our actual flower pots to look like water. And then we'll paint the background. And like I said, I think the best way forward is if you want to paint this, let it dry and give it another layer. You will see that it looks almost like watercolor paint. And I love that. So I painted into that little vase, so I'm just wiping it away with a baby wipe, and now I'm just painting the rest of it. So it's very, very simple to do, a lot of fun. You can make acrylic paint look like watercolor, and I'll show you in a little bit how, just by adding a little bit of water, and then it just needs to dry properly. You can see here is a better view of how transparent the blue is. Now I'm just using a wet brush and I'm just painting over the wet paint. So that's another way, because I don't want brush strokes. I don't want it to look too painted. There you go. And now it can dry. Use a paper towel just to catch most of the paint, and if it flows off, then at least you don't make a mess. So, and now I'm going to use that beautiful turquoise, and we're just going to make a little wash, and then we are going to add it to our water pots. So I'm using a fairly big brush, and you just want to put a scoop of paint down with lots and lots of water. So don't be afraid to add water, and if your water is not clean, get clean water. It's important. So you know you have enough for a wash. If you lift your paintbrush and it drips off, then you know that you have enough water on there. And now I just want to paint the inside of the vase. Like that is perfect. And I love the way it flows. So now it's at an angle, so it will probably flow off, which is perfect. There you go.
The sun is rising, your shadows fall behind. When all the weight you carry is weighing on your mind, I'll be there to show you all the things you're missing and everything we go.
Right, so I'm adding a lot of water just to my little yellow cup. You can see how watery it is. And now we just want to brush and paint the background. And I'm getting as close as I can to my bouquet, but you don't have to touch it. You can just get really close and see how close you can get. And this is just a wash for the background, and then in the next video I'll show you how we will add a little bit of more solid, like a light yellow white looking background to it.
I'll be by your side, so let's run away to far away places, escape from this life we have known. Your eyes are new worlds to discover. Your heart is the place I call home. Whoa. Is an adventure anywhere we are, and no season that we enter can ever be too hard. So let's run away to far away places, escape from this life we have known. Your eyes are new worlds to discover. Your heart is the place I call home. Whoa, whoa, whoa. When the sun is fading and the years have all gone by, I will still be waiting to lead you through the night. So let's run away to far away places, escape from this life we have known. Your eyes are new worlds to discover. Your heart is the place I call home. Let's run away to far away places. We'll make a new life of our own. Your eyes are new worlds to discover. Your heart is the place I call home.
Yeah, I think we should all run away from COVID and this horrible, weird time. Anyway, I'm still painting my background here. You can see I'm taking care to go around the flowers and seeing how close I can get the yellow wash. And I also think this is why it's important that your painting should be dry. Otherwise, you're going to be mixing colors and unintentionally, and that's not what you want. You always want to be very intentional with your painting. Okay, so there you can see a very good example of colors that melted together because they were not dry. and baby wipe is great for that. So just keep a baby wipe or a paper towel close by, and then you're good. So again, I just want to say, you can see it's a very light wash. There's nothing harsh and hard about it. It's very, very soft. The color is soft, and this is exactly what you want. So let this dry, and then in the next video we'll paint the background a solid color, and then our painting is almost done. We just need to do the little bit of detail. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video, and thank you so much for watching and going all the way with me. Bye.